Hey guys, in this video I will be reviewing 5 things that I use as a stay-at-home dad. The first thing that I will be reviewing is the Munchkin Wipes Warmer. The Munchkin Wipes Warmer is an awesome wipes warmer which, you know, warm your wipes. This product warms from the top down. The reason for warming from the top down is that the top wipes will stay warm. Warming from the bottom up will cause the top wipes to stay cold. So if you're going to buy a wipes warmer, make sure it warms from the top down. This one also comes with a mist spray bottle. You just load water in here, insert it to the front, and when you're ready to use your wipes, you can spray. This will keep your wipes moisturized so it doesn't go dry, because once it's being warmed, then your wipes are tend to dry out. Once it is plugged in, you will realize that the heart here lights up. Alright, so the next item on my list is a baby monitor. This monitor can be used to watch your baby from another room or another location, so to speak, if you're not physically watching your baby. Let's hook this up and see how it works. Alright, so the monitor is now on the baby. I'm going to turn on the screen here to show you. And there you go, as simple as that. Once you are not watching your baby, then this is a great device to have to watch your baby. Just in case your baby starts crying or an emergency or anything happens, you can be quickly alerted to come to your baby. Alright, next on the list is this bottle warmer. Very easy to use. All you have to do is plug it in and turn the knob to the desired setting that you wish. Once you're going to warm your milk for the baby, pour water inside and pour the water to the level of milk that is in the bottle. Turn this knob here for your desired setting. The first here is to defrost frozen milk. This is to keep milk warm, and this is for different portions of milk that is being warmed. Once it is turned on, this here will light up, and please monitor your milk so you don't overwarm it, because overwarm milk kills or takes away the nutrients from your baby's milk. The next item for a must-have if you have a newborn at home is a humidifier. This humidifier is by Homedics. It stores up to 1.7 gallons of water and has a runtime of 80 hours. It comes with 2 reservoirs on either side, and this knob here is to control the amount of mist. This is your power button. So once turned on, you will realize that mist starts coming out of the humidifier. You can turn it up as much as you like if you're in a large room. If you're in a much smaller room, then no need to have it on full blast. Also comes with a night light mode. You press here, night light is on. The top button here sends hot air out, or warm air I should say, or warm mist out of the humidifier. Press this light here, all lights turn off, humidifier is still running. Press here, then your night lights and power light and other lights are activated. This humidifier is perfect for, keeping moisture in the ear. If your baby has a cold or anything, it just makes the ear nice and mellow. It's a must-have at home, so try to invest in a humidifier if you have a newborn at home. This is the Baby Brezza, I hope I have that correct, Baby Brezza bottle sterilizer and dryer in one. Perfect. Where's my thumbs up? Perfect. Alright, so this electronic device does what it says. It's a sterilizer and a dryer. I've used this a number of times after washing my baby's bottle to sterilize and dry his bottles, also his pacifiers and other things that he uses. For sterilizing his bottles, pour water in here. 120 mils of water exactly should be in. If it's more, once it starts bubbling or boiling, it will overflow here through the side. So make sure pour in at least 120 mils of water in here. Also, drying the bottles as well, very, very useful. It takes 30 minutes to dry most of his bottles. If more bottles are going to be loaded inside, then you have different settings in selecting 45 minutes or 60 minutes to dry or sterilize bottles. Once you are going to use this, obviously turn it on. Then this is the dry button. This is the sterilize button. This is sterilize and dry. Press once for either settings that you're going to use. Press once, 30-minute comes up. Press 2 times, 45 minutes comes up. Press 3 times, 60-minute comes up. For demonstration purposes, I have loaded the sterilizer with bottles. Works well also with taller bottles. You load your bottles, then pop the top on. Select your desired setting, either to sterilize and dry, to dry, or to sterilize only, and then it works like a charm. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and see you in the next one.